guys, this is part 2. Let's go.
Things I'm supposed to be fighting in this game. I think Grandma's coming. Just a sec. Oh no, okay, I think we're good. I don't remember Grandma being evil, encouraged the cowardly
She's
dog.
possessed.
I mean,
That's
maybe
not
she
her,
was, but I
dumb.
thought she was the sweet one. I really thought she was the sweet one. And that Grandpa's weird ass was the evil one. I don't know.
Yeah, Grandpa
I
was
don't know
the evil
shit
one.
about this story, y'all. It's been years
I
since
don't know
I
why
seen that
they don't.
Uh-oh. Relax. This bitch sounds close. Let me hide over here. Chill.
Like,
I'm really banking. She's here.
Uses got abused for his whole life. That's why he's like, oh, you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna be mean.
Hell no!
He's always mean.
Okay, yo, I am really banking on the fact
to him. I remember the episode. His origin.
that Granny. I need to search this shit and get out of this room.
Like, if his family wasn't a jerk, I bet he kind of been like.
That Granny works like Freddy Krueger does on line of sight.
That.
That's what I'm banking on. Damn it! Can I go out this window? I cannot. Why do they have a little ramp there for me if I can't even use it? I don't get that shit. Please don't be in here. Oh, thank God. Here's Granny's porn watching device. Watch porn! Sonny, stop! Okay, keep moving.
What?
Keep searching. I think she's here.
No, man. No, dog.
I found nothing. Ain't that some shit? I bet the code is on the computer.
PC.
Do you have the code for the padlock attached to the basement door? No.
No, I do
do
not.
I do actually. One moment, please. Oh, I typed that in, and it's tough. What the hell is that? What the hell is going on? Why does it sound like Grandma's got an alien in her computer?
She did have an alien once. That one
Is
computer.
that bitch up here? Hello? Granny, I swear.
I swear, Grandma.
If this bitch hits me with that rolling pin, I swear. I think I'm good. I don't know, y'all.
No more rolling pins for me, mate.
This bitch better have shit out the code. Okay, I think he shit out the code. I think I'm good. Please don't be right here. Oh, thank God. Please don't be right here. Granny, I swear. She's close. She's close. Chill. What the hell was that?
What was that?
I don't know, but search this shit! Please be something. Please be something. Please be something. Not dick. Granny is near. Granny is near. This shit reminds me of the hating Granny from that mobile app. Chill. Let me listen. Oh my. What the hell is that?
Oh no! No!
Listen to this bitch. Return the slab or suffer my bitch be gone!
Suffer, yeah, you will suffer, man.
You are the least of my problems!
Return.
Evil bitch. Oh! Oh! No, wait, no, wait, away! No! You know there's no checkpoints. You know there's no checkpoints, too! Oh my God! Oh my God, Granny, you hating bitch! You hating bitch! Shit! Oh, I'm pissed now. Oh, I am pissed now! Oh shit. Okay, I've already got the car keys. Got it. Okay, yo, I feel like the secret to not getting, knocked out by a rolling pin is to be able to see this bitch coming from a mile away. That's what I feel like the secret is. Because if you open your shit
Exactly.
and she's right there, you're going to hell, no doubt about it.
What?
But if you got room to juke her ass, that's the secret. I think once you find the car keys, there's not shit else to find. I'm gone. There she is.
Oh, she's mobiling.
Is she coming this way?
What? How you see?
Bum, 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 bum. Watch me drop out of a helicopter. Okay, bitch, I see.
What is that? Girl,
Chill. This has got to be Tom Cruise's grandma.
It's
the only explanation. Go. Where's Ghost? Where's Ghost, bitch? There he is.
Oh, there he is.
There he is. Oh, there's Granny. Bum, 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 bum.
It comes up, Grandma.
I did not know this bitch comes outside. All right, hold up. We gotta do Ghosty and Grandma. Gotta do Ghosty and.
Unreachable.
I don't.
Feel it in my.
Ghosty and Grandma. Gotta do Ghosty and Grandma. Where the hell is this going? It won't budge. What'd it say?
It won't budge. I'll have.
Ah, I see. Okay,
Oh.
and now this bitch is on me. The hell was that? Not really sure what that was. Okay, I do have the car keys though, but I still need to find a brick. Yeah, I gotta find a damn brick. Where the hell is there a brick at? Oh! Look, yo, there's a whole area back here. And, oh, shit.
Hey, come on, man.
That bitch looks kind of mad.
Yeah.
That bitch looks kind of mad. Oh, he's got the same chase music as Grandma, though, so I appreciate that. Hold on a minute, yo. There's
Yeah, but
definitely
more
something
like, you know,
inside
more
of the
like,
cornfield
like,
here. So
more
I
like
need
more-
to
a
check
little bit
out
more
what the hell that
spying.
was. I don't know where my man went. Not really
I
sure.
remember the bit.
Oh, shit. Okay.
We gotta
so I
find
gotta
some
find the
things.
shovel first. Oh, my God, this bitch. Relax. Just chill out, Dom. Just chill out. I need to find a brick. I need a brick. I found a brick. Okay, just a second, though, because Granny bitch ass right here. Go. Woo! Almost got sent to hell. All right, let me let my man go around the front, and now let me do the shit with this truck. All right. I got the keys, and I got a brick. Do some shit with this truck. You placed a brick on the accelerator. Damn straight I did, bitch. Go. Crash that bitch. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Okay, I really need this bitch not to turn right
Yeah,
now.
I'm
Thank
saving
you.
lives.
Let me
I
get
don't
in
care
here.
what you say.
Let me
You
close the
just-
doors. Can't close the doors. That's okay. What am I looking for in here? Not sure. Can't climb that? There's a pitchfork. Relax a sec. So let me
Wait
just
for a
look
shovel.
around for the shit that I need. There's a shovel. Grab that bad bitch. All right, I can finally dig up the key. I remember it being buried somewhere in the cornfields. Damn straight.
You don't
All
have
right,
a
to the
cornfield,
cornfields
Courage.
I go.
This is not a cannon.
If I get spotted right
This is
now,
not a
and
cannon.
die,
He does
I am
not have a cornfield.
pissed. Because there are no checkpoints on this shit. I just spit all over. All right, let me find this key. There it is. E to dig. Dig quicker, bitch. Let's go. Come on with it. I found nothing. Oh, shit. I don't think he comes in here.
He comes in there.
Oh, God, I hope he doesn't come in here.
I
Just
don't think
dig
so.
quicker.
Go,
Alright, I got the
man.
basement
Go,
key,
go.
y'all. I got the key. Holy shit. Loki, yo, Dave ratcheted the shit up high on like the things that you have to do to beat this damn game.
How did
It's some
how
hell
does he have a
shit.
cornfield?
But okay, I got the key. I'm pretty sure I got the code.
Cornfields in the episode.
And I think that's all I need, right? I don't remember. All right, there goes my man. And let me see where Granny's at. I don't know where Granny's at. I just need to not get killed by Granny and I'm good. Here we go. Where is she? Can't see shit through this window. Not right here. She's close. Shovel to dig up a slab. It's locked. I need to find a key to remove the lock. I got the key. Get in there!
Get in there,
dude! Oh,
What are you doing, Courage?
I thought there was more shit I had to do, but I'm good. What the hell is this? Oh, it's this bitch's slab! Grab it. Now return it to him. Okay, I can do that. Get out. Can I go out through these? I can't go out through those shits. Oh my God. If I die now, I swear. Oh, please. All right, I got this bitch's slab. I just gotta take it out to the backyard and take it to him. Take the slab, bitch! Take it!
Yeah, take it.
Take it and be gone! Okay!
That's it.
Wait a minute! Wait a minute! Oh! I guess that's it! Okay, so wait a minute. I gave evil bitch King McGee his slab, but what about Demon Grandma? I don't want to live with that bitch. She'd be upside down with a frying pan, hating bitch. Shit. I don't know, y'all. I guess I gotta live the rest of my life with Demon Grandma bitch ass. Whatever it is, y'all, it doesn't matter because I beat this shit and I'm done. I hope y'all enjoyed this gameplay of Courage's Curse, and if you did, make sure y'all leave me some love down below, like, and subscribe, guys. There are new videos coming out every single day for all of y'all.
Alright, that was it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out. Make sure, do not steal anyone's property.